My name is Phil Wilbraham. I am the Heathrow Airport Expansion Programme Director.
So Phil, what is the greatest challenge facing us as an industry?
So I think one of the greatest challenges facing us as an industry is that we put together teams of people and they do great jobs and produce great, in fact, projects and produce what the clients want, the benefits, etc. And then what we do is we send those people off to work on different teams, so we don't get consistency. And there isn't consistency in the way we put teams together, there isn't consistency in the way that actually projects come forward as well. So you never get a consistent workload which allows people to improve day by day, year by year, working with people together and getting better and better. So what we tend to do is is put people together, we create a great team, then we immediately split it up and send people off to do other things. So I think there's something about us being more consistent in how we create teams than how we deliver with the same people time and time again. So I think the greatest opportunity we have currently is to use digital or common data environment or digital twin, whatever we want to call it, for the best way that we possibly can for the overall process of delivering a piece of infrastructure or a building or whatever. So there is such a great opportunity to bring people together to work in a different way using a digital model. And I think at the moment we're doing this reasonably well through, in fact, BIM, but there are so many more things we can drive by using digital well. It'll make our lives easier, quicker. We'll be able to do things faster. We'll be able to make sure that before we actually build anything or put something together on site, assemble it, it actually will fit together. So I think there's a massive opportunity by developing digital common data environments. I say digital twins. These things are the things that we really need to understand, and we really need to encourage people into our industry who really understand the digital agenda. I think for the most important goal we need to achieve is to always learn every day, and that's for us as individuals, but also for our teams and the people we work with, to create environments where people can learn and change and improve. For me, you sometimes find yourself in a team where everybody is getting better, and it's an incredible environment to work in, where you then get a point where you can learn off everybody else in the team. What you then find is you go on to your next project with some of the team or not, you then are going to learn even more, and so for me this is the most important goal, to learn something important every day. What I like about it is the fact that you've changed something by the time you've created the thing that is being constructed. And that may be a change, whether it's a piece of infrastructure, a building, a house, something relatively small. But there is a real change, and people's lives then are different because of the piece of work that you have been involved in. So I've always been really excited about delivering things from end to end, being involved through quite a long time on a project, and then actually then seeing at the end that has made a difference for people who are moving around in that building, working in that building, going through that train station, going through that airport, etc. So that's what gets me excited about it. That's what gets me out of bed every morning, is the fact that I can make a difference on a construction project. So I'm doing a number of things at the moment. So I've been heavily involved with the Institution of Civil Engineers and the Infrastructure Client Group, working on Project 13. So we've been working together over a couple of years now to find a better way to deliver infrastructure. The bit that I'm really interested in is a piece of work called, in fact, Capable Owner. And the Capable Owner stream is all about working out what capabilities we need to be really good clients. And by really good clients, I mean capable owners. And it's a piece of work that I've been doing with a number of people in the industry and also Manchester Business School, and it's been one of the key inputs into Project 13. I also think it's critical that we continue through constructing excellence to ensure that all the work that we do and we learn from is shared. So sharing is really important, and then getting together and learning from each other. And I think constructing excellence is a great opportunity for that, because it's a movement with thousands of people involved, which can and they can all help each other as long as we're very open and transparent with the information we share.